Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a review of this agarbatti that I got from this website called as Fool. I used to get the ads of this website, so I thought of trying it out as it is made from natural plants, flowers. So this is how it came in the packaging, the outer packaging of their tag and all. Even the inside the packaging is very nice, like perfect even for the gifting purpose and all. This is just amazing. They have very good packaging that they have provided. This I got the two fragrances, that is lavender and I got lemongrass. So this first one is lavender. The cost of this is 165 rupees. You also get refill packs. If I try that anytime, then I'll share that also with you all. This is very nice. Here they have mentioned price. Then it is made from temple flowers and it have got essential oils, that is like that gives you that fragrance. And they are also hand rolled and charcoal free. You get 40 sticks in this, which are 25.4 centimeter long, and it burns up to 40 to 45 minutes. Yes, it's approximately that much time it burns. I have noticed that. Now the lavender, it naturally heals your insomnia, then stomach irritation, especially if anyone is having sleeping problem and all. If they don't get sleep, then they use lavender, like lavender tea and all. So this also helps in healing that. This is how it comes. You get this note like that particular person have made this. The paper quality of this is also very nice. Then you get this stand where you have to put the agarbatti like this. It's shown over there. In the refill packs, I think you don't get this. So you can buy this up once and then you can reuse it, like use it with the refill packs. This is how the agarbattis are packed with the paper, and inside it also have got plastic packaging. The fragrance is very nice of this. I like the lemongrass fragrance more than the lavender one. It's much stronger than this. Lemongrass naturally heals muscle pain, fatigue, revitalizes body and mind, and that fragrance is also very nice. I really liked it. This is how the incense stick looks like. It's a very good option if you all are looking something that is natural, like charcoal free. It's a very nice product. This is the lemongrass one. The cost is same 165 rupees. And this also have got 40 sticks. It is 25.4 centimeter long and it burns for 40 to 45 minutes. And even everything is same in this also. You get one note, then you get one holder. I really like the packaging that they provide. It's very strong and it's also very nice. Plus the product is also amazing. You should definitely give it a try if you are looking for something that is charcoal free agarbattis. It's amazing one. Now for this you get the small hole kind of, in which you have to put this agarbatti and then keep it on one edge. Y'all can even put newspaper below so that everything doesn't fall because of air and all. I'll be leaving down the link of this in the description box. You all can check it out. They have got variety of fragrances as well. You all can try it out. I have just tried this too. If in future anytime I try any other, I'll definitely share the review of that as well.